I have a double switch, controls a disposal and a light above the sink, and a plug all in one area. The plug has wires coming in from an under cabinet, and I believe another plug. I was replacing the switch and plug, but now I can't get them wired correctly. I have identified the two black wires that go to the light and disposal. The white wire from the disposal is by itself, but the white from the light is pigtailed with some other whites. There is of course other black wires pigtailed, leaving a lone black and white from the under cabinet light. Please help. Of course I should have labeled them better when I was replacing them, but it's too late now. I know there was a very short wire connecting the plug and switch, but I can't figure out how to get the combo working again.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. Please stand by while I make a drawing.
Okay, thank you.
Here it is.
This is the type of switch. Does that still work the same? So there would be no white power from the box going to the switch.
If it is a switch-over switch, this is the wiring. There would be no white on the switch unless it isn't off the receptacle as stated. Mike G.41205.9244388889.
The drawing makes sense, but I have more wires than that, so I'm thrown off. I have a total of 3 whites and 4 blacks. What do I do with the extra white? Can I double up on the unit? BC, they aren't all pigtailed. The disposal white is not pigtailed with the rest, it is independent.
You'll need to test the white wires to ground with a 2-wire voltage tester. One of them may be a hot that should be connected to a switch. It could originate on another circuit. The second possibility is that it is a neutral and connects with the others. You could take a chance and connect them all, and if a break doesn't trip, you're okay. If it trips a breaker, then you'll need to find out which one is hot.
So far so good. I just have to run out and get something, then I'll set your rating. I have it wired slightly different than what you diagram showed, since there's the extra wires, however, it seems to be working.
Very good, let me know the outcome.
Awesome, it's working. I had the 2 black going to the light and disposal connected as you had it. Then I had the white from the disposal connected to the switch. The combo/pigtailed white and the white from the under lighting went to the plug. The black from the under lighting and the pigtail went to the plug. Everything seems to be working. I did not connect the plug to the switch, as everything worked fine. Thank you for drawing that diagram, it definitely helped me figure it out.
Very good, glad to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.